Kintsugi is a Japanese art of fixing broken pottery with gold and lacquer. Instead of hiding the cracks, we honor the cracks and make it even more beautiful and unique. And today, I want to share that philosophy with you. So, let's go. So, Kintsugi. Actually, I myself embody Kintsugi because 3 years ago, I got into a huge snowboarding accident. I broke my entire skull. I still have 12 iron plates and 50 iron screws buried inside my face, connecting my bones. And I still have pain 24/7. But when I woke up in hospital, knowing how terrible the accident was, I was very happy. I felt content. I felt that I could do anything because I could see, I could move my arms, I could move my legs. I was looking very ugly, but I had all the ability that I needed to live. Therefore, I felt very happy. But after that, I had to go through a lot of rehabilitation, surgery, recovery, pain. And in the process of that, I had to suffer from a lot of pain, a lot of scary moments, like signing for the paper to get surgery. I had to agree with that I'm okay even if I lose my eyesight. And I also had to agree with that I'm okay even if I never wake up. Of course, I'm not okay. I was crying. I was so scared. I was so devastated. I remember myself crying and signing the paper. And here I am, alive and healthy. So when I was in the healing process, I promised myself that I will recover. I will recover and become even more beautiful inside and out, even more strong inside and out compared to before the accident. And I really wanted to spread this message to the entire world. And that's what I started doing a year after the accident. I started giving talks in 8 different countries in international conferences in 1 year. And now I've developed Kintsugi method where I help people turn their pain into their gift. Because I really believe that everyone can. Even if it's not a physical pain, it could be emotional pain, like a heartbreak, a trauma from your childhood, something you've experienced like fraud. And a lot of my clients come to me that they want to turn their pain into gift. And it's so happy for me to see them start to really appreciating what they used to see it as the pain. For example, one of my clients, he a year ago he got into a huge fraud. He invested a lot of money and he didn't get it back. And since then he had been depressed, and his relationship with his wife had been a struggle for the past few years, even before the fraud. But since he started getting my coaching, he started to really appreciate everything in life. Like he started to tell thank you to his wife and started giving her massage. And because he wanted to turn his pain into gift. And as a result, they started to bond. Him and his wife started to bond more than he used to, thanks to that accident, thanks to that happening. If that fraud didn't happen, he would have just kept going without telling his wife appreciation or giving her massage. But thanks to that, and thanks to him trying to turn his pain into gift, he is very serious of his coaching sessions with me. So he's slowly turning his pain into gift. And it's just, he's become a lot happier in his daily life. So if I can do it, if he can do it, you can turn your pain into gift as well. So I want you to start from what is the pain that you want to turn into gift or power. Please think about that. And if you have that already, then you can start thinking about what are the 3 things that you appreciate thanks to that pain. What are the 3 things that you appreciate thanks to that pain? There must be 3. And maybe there's more, even better. And please start thinking from that, and your Kintsugi story would start from there. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe the channel. And see you on the next video. またね。ありがとう。